Hi children, welcome back to our class. In previous class, we learned that sense organs. What are sense organs? Sense organs are the body organs which are able to see, hear, smell, taste and touch or feel. How many sense organs are there? 5. There are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And what is the uses of these organs? Eyes for seeing, ears for hearing, nose for smelling, tongue for tasting and skin for touching or feeling. Then today we are going to learn how do mosquitoes know where you or we are. Mosquitoes can find us by the smell of our body. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and also by the heat of your body. That means how to find mosquitoes. Then smell of our body, sole of feet, heat of our body. Sole of feet means feet smell. Then have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? Sniffing means then smelling here and there. What do you think it is trying to smell? Dogs mark out their own area on the road. That means that area is dog mark. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty or latrine. That means dogs have to understand their friends' smell of their urine or potty or latrine. Then animals also have a sense organs there. They also different ways understand their. Then most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. That means human beings, animals have eyes are in front of the face, but birds eyes are in front of their head, or either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on 2 different things at a time, and one time they see 2 things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. That means they look front ahead, one time they only see same object. You might have seen birds moving their neck very often. That means birds' neck is moving front, back, left, right side. Do you know why? In most of the birds, eyes are fixed. That is the one reason. Birds' eyes are fixed and cannot move. Their eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. That means their eyes are fixed there. They cannot see either sides. Then that time they move their neck on both sides. Some birds like kites, eagles, vultures can see 4 times as far as we can. In human beings, double side there, eagles and vultures, 4 times. These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters, what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. That means we have to see object in 8 meter distance. Then these animals see in 2 meter distance. Do animals see colors? Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. It is believed that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors. That means daytime, example crow, parrot, pigeon, these birds can see some colors. Those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white and colors. Example, owl, bat. These animals or birds awake in night. These can see colors in black and white. Then which bird has eyes in front of its head? One bird have their eyes is in front of their head. Which owl? Then how snake hear? Then you cannot see snakes ear cannot see. Then how to hear snake? They do not have external ears, or that means external ears means outside which you can see. They feel the vibrations on the ground. Snake how to feel here? They feel the vibrations on the ground. Then sounds and send messages. Lammer warns others of dangers like tiger or leopard. Tiger or leopard warning calls. Lammer means long-tailed monkey lives in Asia. Birds give alarm calls to warn about the danger. That means birds passing message to balance birds with the help of alarm calls. Fishes give alarm calls by electric signals. Fishes giving signals in electric signals. Some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. Earthquake or storm coming time, some animals also make alarm sound. Then dolphins also make different sounds to give message to each another. Dolphin also message different sounds produce. And that means many animals have a special language of their own. In this the animals have a special language. Can you understand the sounds of some animals? You have to understand some animals sound. Yes. What are they? Dog, cat, parrot, etc. Do some animals understand your language? Our language understanding and yes. Dog in your home, pet animals there. Dog, cat, parrot, etc. Okay, once more in our class. Today we learned that mosquito, how to find a mosquito, then smell of our body, sole of feet, then heat of our body. Dog, how to find their friend, the smell of another dog's urine and or body. Then birds have eyes are fixed there. Then they cannot move another side. Okay.